In this video, we are going to learn Angular material icon. So all we have to do, go and add mat icon module, and then we will have to add this in our import array. And here we will try to add a sample example. Let's see the output. See, we have added grade and print. So we are getting the icon correspondingly. In the same way, there are a lot of icons available. You can go and add from Angular site. So this is how we can work with mat icon module. Thank you so much.